Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your QR code on Discord. It's super easy, so just follow along step by step. So right now, I'm already logged in to my Discord account, but to see the QR code, we actually need to log out. Here's how. First, click on User Settings at the bottom of the app, near your avatar and nickname. Then, scroll down on the left side menu until you find Log Out. Click Log Out, and then confirm it once more. Once you're logged out, Discord will take you to the login screen. Here, you'll notice a QR code on the right side of the screen. This QR code can be scanned with your Discord mobile app, and the best part is, you don't need to enter your password to log back in. You can just scan this QR code from your phone Discord app, and you will be logging again without entering email and password again. And that's it. That's how you can quickly find and use your QR code on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!